Hi, yesterday was a short one, so today I've got a longer video for you. I'm going to be talking about two things: letting others fail and how systems don't care about your intentions. So, most believe that they help because they care. That belief survives only while helping feels unavoidable. The moment help becomes optional, something else appears. Neither compassion nor concern, but fear. A very specific kind of fear. One that would say, if I don't intervene, what kind of a person am I? That question arrives faster than any thought about the other person, because it's not about them. It's about the role you've been stabilising with your behaviour. Helping has been holding your identity together. You were the reasonable one, the capable one, the good one, the one who kept things from falling apart. Stop doing that, and the system doesn't just wobble. You do. That's why letting others fail feels intolerable, even when you already know your help isn't working. You're not afraid of their collapse. You're afraid of your own disappearance and irrelevance. There's a moment most people recognise but refuse to stay with. And it's the moment that you realise that nothing you're doing is actually improving anything. You've explained this before, you've rescued before, you've softened consequences before. And the pattern is still the same. The behaviour doesn't change, the system doesn't reorganise, and the dependency deepens. And still you step in. Not because you believe in the outcome, because stopping feels worse. Helping is no longer intervention, it's regulation. It lowers your anxiety, it restores your coherence, and gives you a place to stand. This is me. And that relief is immediate, and it's addictive. This is why helping persists long after it's become destructive. Not because you're stupid, not because you're malicious, because the behaviour stabilises you. When you stop, the internal accusation arrives quickly. I'm being cruel. I'm being heartless. I'm abandoning them. Notice the timing. Nothing bad's happened yet. No harm's occurred. No boundary's been crossed. And still you feel morally compromised. That's because the distress is not ethical, it's regulatory. Helping was doing a job inside your own nervous system. When it stops, anxiety spikes. Your mind rushes in to explain that discomfort. Cruelty is not discovered, it's assigned. Once you believe you're cruel, you rush back in, not to help them, but to stop the internal collapse. This is where most people try to save themselves morally. Even if I help for the wrong reasons, they say, at least my intentions are good. And that's the last defence. And it fails too. Systems don't care about your intentions. Families don't. Organisations don't. Institutions don't. They respond to effects, not intentions. For the rest of this article and all my other content, please take a look on Patreon and on Substack.